Okay, today we're going to talk about seasonal allergies. And when I talk about seasonal allergies, I mean allergies that people, are affected by in the spring and in the fall. Usually, these are to things that are growing outdoors. Grasses, trees, pollens. In the fall, especially ragweed and goldenrod. And these produce all kinds of symptoms, which would include things like runny nose, runny eyes, itchiness, nasal congestion. Some people will get rashes during this time of the year. Other people will just have trouble breathing, and it may trigger things like asthmatic attacks or other hay fever symptoms, headaches, nasal congestion, sinus congestion. These are all nuisance types of symptoms for which people usually take antihistamines, decongestants, and things that usually have side effects like drowsiness, and they may produce sort of a wooden feeling. And a lot of people don't like that, and they would like to use a natural approach to treating allergies. And these would include both dietary changes as well as nutritional supplements. So for example, with diet, one of the best things that you can do is avoid sugar, white flour products, and grains in general, because these are oftentimes foods that are in the same family as some of these grasses or pollens or whatever that you're allergic to. So it's interesting that when we get those kind of things out of the diet, usually the allergy symptoms will improve. And then of course there are a lot of nutritional supplements. For example, vitamin C. If you take vitamin C in high enough doses, it works very much like a natural antihistamine. The only side effect of too much vitamin C would be loose bowel movements. But basically I tell people to, take the dosage that will relieve their symptoms, but will prevent loose bowel movements. So that may be anywhere from 3,000 to 9,000 milligrams a day, depending on the individual. Then of course there's the bioflavonoid known as quercetin. Quercetin has many beneficial properties, including an antihistamine-like effect, and it also is anti-inflammatory. So a lot of people take this to relieve inflammation as well as allergy symptoms. Then stinging nettles, which is a herbal remedy. Nettles has been used for years as a way of keeping congestion under control, sneezing, runny nose, runny eyes, and all that sort of stuff. Nettles is wonderful for that. Grapeseed extract is another natural supplement. It's typically in the bioflavonoid family, so it can be used anywhere from 100 to 300 milligrams a day. And then there's the remedy known as MSM, methylsulfonylmethane. Generally people use MSM for treating arthritis symptoms, so it's an anti-inflammatory, which seems to make the joints feel a lot better. But in very high doses it works very much like an antihistamine, and I've had many people tell me that they're able to eat more foods, they're able to tolerate the environment a lot better if they take an MSM supplement. And there are combination products as well. For example, there's one made by AOR called AllerQ. It contains quercetin, but also contains other anti-inflammatories which work like natural antihistaminic-like agents. So there you have it for seasonal allergies, and I hope you don't have any symptoms this year.